Greetings and welcome back to this channel where every day at 5 a.m. there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is EXFORD Davy, also known as Lemuel, and I invite you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. My hope is that you will be blessed by these readings. For more information, please see the description box below. We're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I go read from Acts 16:22 to 34. The people in the crowd join in and start to beat Paul and Silas. So the judge them tear off Paul and Silas them clothes and give order to beat them with thick. After them done beat them bad, them put them in a prison and give order for the warden lock them down tight to make sure so them can't get away. The warden put them in a one lockup where they far under the ground in the prison. Then him fasten them foot in some heavy wood. Round middle night, Paul and Silas did a pray and a sing praise to God, and the other prisoner them did a listen. All of a sudden, one powerful earthquake happened where shake down to the prison ground. All the prison door them fly open and the prisoner them chain them bust off. When the warden wake up and see the prison door them open up, him did about to take him sword and kill himself, cause him did sure see a broke the prisoner them did broke out. But Paul ball out to him say, "No kill yourself, cause all of we still there." So the warden called to somebody to give him one lamp. Him bolt in a prison, fling down himself at Paul and Silas with a tremble. Then him take them out the door and ask them say, "Sir, what me fi do fi get saved?" Them said to him say, "Believe in the Lord Jesus and you will get saved, you and all who live in your house." Then Paul and Silas preach God's message to him and to all who live in his house. And same time that night the warden take them and look after them court. And right after that, him and everybody in his house get baptized. The warden carry them go in yard and give them some food to eat. And him and him whole family did well happy. Said them turn to God and believe in him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.